What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, it just turned. And welcome to a video in which we'll analyze Ethereum. We'll talk about the price, what's happening. We're pretty bearish over the last 24 hours, as you can see. Dropped down quite significantly, broke through this major support trend line, which isn't the end of the world. Don't worry about that. But yeah, just wanted to do an update on that. And in this update, we'll also talk about the fundamentals, because there are four things here, actually, we really need to talk about. All right, and I'll tell you about those. So let's start with that, because based on that, we'll take that into account while doing the price analysis. First of all, dollar index. We just saw arguably a bearish breakout, which is 100% bullish for Ethereum, right? So that's bullish fundamentals. Apart from that, later this week, it doesn't have an effect yet. Now we're going to have on Thursday, so the 10th of November, we're going to have the CPI, or the inflation rate, for the United States. That's going to make the market move immensely, but we don't know which way yet. Apart from that, we're also going to have US elections tomorrow, which we don't know how that's going to make the market move, but it probably is going to make it move. And there is some sort of a feud going on between Binance and FTX, two big major crypto exchanges. Binance is trying to sell a lot of its FTT tokens, which is a risk for the entire crypto market, because a lot of crypto-backed loans have FTT as the backup asset. So if it decreases in price, that means that there's some sort of a risk of liquidation, which means that there's a risk that big institutions have to sell a lot of crypto, which would cause a major crash in crypto. So that's kind of the risk right now, and we're going to take that all into consideration. As I said, inflation rate and the midterm elections, we cannot say too much about those, but about the other fundamentals, we can say something. And altogether, I am still pretty bullish on crypto. As you can see, we did some bearish things, actually. We broke below this trend line, took a break retest, but then eventually what you can see is that we did find support at this level around 1550. So that's bullish again then. So altogether, I mean, it seems like we're holding. So right now, we're going up to that level again around 1600. If we really find a strong resistance touch off of that, we might drop down all the way to this 1520, 1500 level, and then from there consolidate and start going back up. This might be the most likely scenario, so that we drop down a little bit more, and then afterwards we will be able to continue going up or go up again. But there's also a very big chance that if we get to 1600 and then get minor support and then break above that, then we'll just get back above to 1670, and I even think that after that we can actually start trying to break above 1670 to get all the way up to our next resistance level at 1760. And the reason why I'm that bullish still is because of the dollar index. It's still very bearish, and we're probably going to drop down even more, which is 100% bullish. All right, it's negatively correlated. But apart from that, also I don't think, even though there's some people afraid of the whole FTT liquidation saga, I don't think that risk is actually there. Because it's Binance liquidating, right? And Binance, when do they have good business? If they have a lot of people buying and selling crypto. If crypto is still doing good. If they cause a huge crash throughout the market, obviously they're going to get hurt because of it as well. And that's why I don't think they will. And that's also that I think we could actually drop down a little bit more. But in the end, I don't think that all the fears are 100% accurate. I don't think so. Obviously, you can have a different opinion than mine, but that's at least my analysis and what I think is going to happen, on basis of that. So yeah, if you do have any questions about the analysis, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and take care. Have a great day.